Hello guys, this is Imad from Italiano per tutti. This is a video for absolute beginners. So we will speak about some sentences or phrases you can use in Italy, but very easy. We start from ciao, ciao. Ciao is a word we can use in the beginning and the end. So it means hello and goodbye. You can say ciao to your friends and so on. So if you have to speak with a teacher or someone, you have to say buongiorno, buongiorno. Buongiorno is a word, unique word. So giorno means day and buon means good. So buongiorno. And you have to write it as one word. And this means good morning or good day, and you have to use it with someone you don't know or not your friends. And you have buon pomeriggio, good afternoon, and buonasera, buonasera for the evening, and buonanotte when you go to sleep. So you can say buonanotte to your children. This is very easy stuff, so you can learn it without problems. So if you want to ask for direction while you are in the town, you can say mi scusi, dove si trova il ristorante Carlo Cracco? Excuse me, where I can find the restaurant Carlo Cracco? So you can say like this: il ristorante si trova in Galleria Vittorio Emanuele. Il ristorante si trova in Galleria Vittorio Emanuele. Okay? The restaurant is located in Vittorio Emanuele Gallery. Thank you guys for watching my video. Let me a comment and a like. Give me your opinion. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell that you receive more videos and more lessons from me. Please follow me, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.